Hey everybody, welcome to another review. So, like I said in my review from last night, today I'm going to check out the new Avira 2012. So I went and downloaded the Internet Security version. I know it's not the free version, but I like to give it a chance to use the best that it can, and I suspect that this is what most people will buy. So I installed it, updated it. Let's just see what kind of, quick little memory usage we got here. So we have about 22, 23, something like that, which is not bad for a full suite. You have the firewall, the guard, mail, some kind of shadow, copy service, and web guard. So let's open it up and check it out here. They have changed the interface. That's nice. Definitely needed an improvement. It was really old and stale. As you can see, it was last updated today, but I'll check again. So it updates every 2 hours, but we'll do the update one more time. It doesn't have any pop-up or anything to show you that it is updating, which is very weird. Or maybe it did. Okay, so it does now. Yeah, when I first updated it, nothing came up. So you got little tabs here on the left. You got your scanner, real-time protection, backup, firewall settings, everything's stock, web protection, mail protection, quarantine, scheduler, reports, and events. It's fairly simple, nothing too complicated. You can access the settings through here, so if you want to access the system scan settings, well, you have to, I guess, turn on expert mode, so you can adjust your settings and everything, but I'm going to leave everything just like it is. The only thing I did do during install is I made sure, I think, what was it that? No, not archives, heuristics. Somewhere in here. I made sure that all of the threat categories were selected. So, let's start out with some links here. I think I got 10, 9, 10, something like that. Yeah, 10. These are all new as I could, as new as I could find. Okay, so nothing from the web protection, the web guard. So this is it's trying to execute code in another process. Okay, what do you want to do? It really doesn't give you any hints. It says not signed. It says network event. So this really doesn't lead you into what you want to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to test all these. If I get these type of alerts, like another injection one, I'm going to allow one and then disallow the next one and then work it back and forth unless it really tells me deny, because there's nothing in this alert anywhere that says what I'm supposed to do with it. The alert doesn't show me anything, it doesn't give me any links, it's just there's no information here. And that's something that they definitely need to improve, because if I was a user, I'd be like, oh, I wanted to install this cgi.exe whatever, and my antivirus is telling me nothing specific. So like I said, that's how we're going to work it. Some people might not agree with that, whatever. I'm gonna go one allow, and then if on this one I get the same alert, I'll hit deny, and we'll work it back and forth. Whenever any of these things pops up and it gives me a nondescript error or a question, that's how I'm gonna do it from now on. But I will say that it did detect it, and that's good. Yeah, I would like to see them add a countdown in the deny. So if you don't know what to do, like in 30 seconds or whatever, it automatically denies for you. That's something that I've seen and I like in some of the other security suites I've tested. Okay, so that one might not be working, might be dead, but we'll leave it working in the background. Let's make sure that the internet is working. It looks like the internet's not working anymore. Well, that's no good. That's all it took to kill the internet? Well, that's awfully disappointing. Alright, so let me restart. Close all these. Let me restart and I'll be back after it's done restarting. Okay, so I rebooted and I got this warning that this says trying to execute code. Now, this time we'll deny it. Okay, so that was internet access. Okay, that's fine. Alright, let's see if the internet works now. Okay, so the internet's back up and running. So we'll go from where we left off. Okay, so that one was detected. Okay. I'm doing some kind of system scan. Why are all antivirus vendors going to this? This is so unbelievably annoying that you can't believe. Why can't they just remove it? They have to scan after every single thing. Ugh, I don't get it. It's just something that would drive me up the walls. See, it says access was denied. Please select blah blah blah. Alright, sure. We'll remove that one too. Deal with another scan window. Move to quarantine. Alright, so that one was blocked zip file. Now it's not working anymore. It's a really slow website. We'll let that download in the background. Alright, no pop-up from the AV. No pop-up from anything. That's not good. We'll move on. Okay, this one wants download and install some toolbar, or it wants us to download and install some toolbar. So this, whatever this thing is trying to act as a server. Once again, doesn't give me any information. It's this window. It's probably just trying to check for that update. Yep. So we'll move on. Where did we leave off at? Was it this one? No, I think we already did that one. Yeah, we did. So the alerts we've been getting now is it's all from the firewall. Let's see what happens when we allow that one. And then the next one, oh look, that one's finally downloading. It only took forever. Okay, it looks like that one didn't work. And now we'll wait for this last one, which the internet is probably dead again, of course, because of that last process. That's fine. Alright, so I'm going to unpack this malware. I have 288 pieces. Alright, so it looks like Avira does not turn off Windows Defender. And the thing with Windows Defender is if it catches something, it interrupts whatever you're doing. It kills the process. It doesn't just remove the file and let the process continue. So you have to basically permanently disable it. Alright, so it looks like it's detected 17 viruses or unwanted programs. We're going to do a right click and scan on it anyway, so I'm going to click remove on it just to get rid of those. And then I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to do a scan and we'll see what's left over. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I did a second scan. You can see nothing was detected. And we had 288 to start out with, and we have left over 24. Let's do the math real quick. 91.7%. Very good detection ratio. So let's see what it does with the ones it didn't detect. Alright, so it looks like we had something in there that was trying to patch the hosts file. Nice. Wonder what that thing was. Just for the hay of it. I'm going to upload it to nothing because the internet doesn't work. Nice. Well, I'll upload it from my system, I guess, and we'll see. So let's try whatever this is. Okay, this is a real simple one. It's trying to get out. TCP connection. You see the little arrow. It's trying to probably download something in the background. Looks like it crashed. Let's try whatever this DMX is. This is trying to receive a connection. These are all firewall alerts. Let's try this Facebook. Well, I'll just close that up real quick before anything weird pops up. Alright, whatever that was. That's a batch file. Let's try this one. And I guess we'll try this one. so let's open up our friend here, Cleaning Essentials. I want to see if we got anything stuck in there. Also try kill switch while that's running around in the background. No, I can't use this because our internet connection is dead, or whatever's going on with it. See, none of the analyzing is working, so I'm gonna have to reboot. There's definitely some stuff here. Run. Oh, okay, so it looks like some of it is working. It looks like it is working. Okay, so we got malware, unknown, malware, unknown. We'll let that run around in the background. And we have two unknowns there. A lot of this stuff still being analyzed, but that's okay. So what I'm going to what I'm going to do, because I probably can't delete this right now. Yeah. I'm going to reboot, and then when I come back into Windows, I'm going to do a full system scan with, Avira, and then we're going to see what it finds. First, I'm going to run CCleaner, and then I'm going to do a system scan. So I'll see you guys when the system scan is done. Alright guys, so the full scan finished, and all it found was the zip file that I have malware in. So watch. That's it. It was one file with a bunch of detections in it. Excuse me. Alright, so now let's do a scan. Well, first thing, let's see what this shows here. So let me pause here while it's done analyzing and scanning. Alright, so we still have some of those registry keys. Let's see what else. See if anything else just pops up out of the ordinary. Oh, nope, that's VMware tools. Alright, so far all we got is these guys. So now we're going to open up Cleaning Essentials, and I'm going to do a full scan. So I'm going to pause, and I'll be back when the full scan is done. Alright, so Cleaning Essentials finished scanning here, and it found 20 things. That's a lot. So we have this app data, VOLMGR. We have that NUR KRX, whatever that is. Badge help, server test. Seems to me that we got a couple of false positives here. So I'm gonna have to report that. Again, Volmer or volume manager is really what it is. Volume manager. VBC. So let me pause the video real quick, and I'm gonna upload some of these to VirusTotal just so we can get an idea of what they are. So let me pause and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I uploaded this stuff through my browser. It looks like VirusTotal is actually dead. So that's fine. I used FireScan. So this is one of the pieces of malware. You can see 27%, 10 out of 37. Low detection. This one was 8 out of 37, so 22%. This one again, 27%. This one is 19%, 7 out of 37. And this one used to be detected, but it's not detected anymore. So I don't know what happened now. Because I checked it again, and it used to have 26 detection, and now it has none. So I don't know. We'll see. I don't know if that's a false positive or whatnot. That's just you can see my background here. Let's open up the virtual machine. All right, but that's all right. We'll see what happens if I get rid of that one. I left these because I know these are fine. Alright, so now it's going to want me to reboot. So I'll be back. Alright, so Malwarebytes finished scanning. I did run Malwarebytes to see if I missed anything. It looks like it missed a couple of things. So it says that there's a couple of registry key changes here. Let's check them out, see if they're found yet. There's also that file and a DLL, and it looks like some kind of driver but in a temp file that's stolen data. So you can see that one right there is that one. So that one is still part of the FLS unknown. So this is something that isn't known yet to Komodo. And the other one was under software. Yeah, I don't know where that one would actually be at. I haven't used this much, so I don't know much about it yet. Yeah, it'd be in there somewhere anyway. So it looks like it did find that one. So we still have 1, 2, 3. We have 5 more things here. So we're going to remove these. There's no active processes, so I'm not going to restart. And last but not least, I'm going to run Hitman Pro, and we'll see if that finds anything. So let me pause, and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back. I was gone for a little bit. Hitman Pro finished scanning, and it didn't find anything. So that's good to see. Final. I disabled Avira while scanning. Final review on Avira here. It did good in the signature department. Yes, it did. It always does good on signatures, but its firewall is all right, but it's still missing 0-day protection. You saw how many things got by. I don't understand why they don't just put something in there. They need something for 0-day. You know, it's not enough what they got now. The landscape is changing, and they have to change. And if they don't change with it, they're gonna fall behind faster and faster, as other companies are doing more and more to help their customers. So I guess that's it. Hope you guys liked the review, and I'll talk to everybody later. I got a special review coming tomorrow. Um, it's got a little giveaway attached to it, so I'll let you guys know about that tomorrow. So everybody take care and have a good night.